So one of the projects for my blue and silver decor is taking these little plaques I got at Dollar General. And I have these little, I think they're furniture, put your furniture legs in them. I got a couple of them. I'm gonna paint everything white. Hi there. For this blue and silver video, I'm going to be making a few craft projects. This is something I was gonna do anyway before I decided to make 3 videos on how to decorate your mantle. So first off, I'm going to be taking some of these Dollar Tree deer. Came 2 in a pack for $1. I got 2 because I wanted 3. And I got some of these plaques from Dollar General that I painted white, and I'm gonna attach them to these trees, hopefully it doesn't look stupid, and put them in my mantelpiece. I also have some of these furniture things I've painted white. And where's my trees? I'm gonna add, hopefully they'll glue, not look too dumb, some of these trees. 1 or 2 of these trees I got from Dollar Tree. 2 for $1. Okay, I'll let you know if it works out.